got this!
Вот идиот, а.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
You're too slow!
Oh shit. Brightline strike again. Oh, nice. Alright, so I guess we're going on the road, bro. Hey, at least you got the kid out.
Go, 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 go. They stopped the train. Go, go, go.
Please, me, I need this!
Oh shit, this is gonna be an accident now. Oh shit. Mi bomba!
Moleque vai, é DJ moleque bom, ele tem experiência, esculacha a concorrência, quem moleque vai.
It's murky, but it looks like the car has gone around the guardrails.
She said she was traveling west on Kansas Road around 7 Wednesday morning when she turned south on what she thought was Dixie Highway. She said before she knew it, she was on the tracks.
Certified hood classic.
Kablow, kaboom. Rest in peace, my granny, she got hit by a bazooka. Yeah, I think about it every time I hit the hookah. Kaboom, kablow, kaboom. I was in my room trying to teach my little sister. Then I heard a boom and it sounded like a missile. Who that is? What that was? Oh, that granny. Oh, she done. What the fuck they hit her with? What the fuck they hit her with? A fucking bazooka, little bitch.
Moments a Brightline train struck a car Thursday morning. In the video, the car sits behind the crossing gates and then drives around them, pauses on the tracks, and is hit by the train. Surveillance video showing when the railroad crossing lights start to flash. You can see the headlights from a truck as it approaches the tracks. The driver tries to make it across, but is hit by the train.
About it when I see you again. When I see you again.
But at the same time, this silver car turns left into the train.
In my driving in my car right after a beer. Hey, that bomb is shaped like a deer.
gonna hit it. He's gonna hit it. He's gonna hit it. Oh my God. Holy shit.
Báilalo, gózalo, como lo canto y lo siento yo. Como báilalo, gózalo, como lo canto y lo siento yo. Como báilalo, gózalo, como lo canto y lo siento yo. Como báilalo, gózalo, como lo canto y lo siento yo.
So wird keiner ganz sicher später sagen, kann nicht machen sicher morgen.
I got this.
Whoa!
This is the end.
खत्म.
Mi bomba!
It's a car. It's a car on the train track. Car on the train. Car on the train track. Yo, what the fuck, bro? That shit's crazy. What the fuck? Oh
No. No way.
That's fun.
Oh.
It's not going red. No! Red. Red.
Oh, you son of a bitch, you're in the way. I knew it. Coming.
Oh,
And look
oh my God.
morons just standing there.
It gets dark outside, and you